Tipster Tuesday, you get a choice. I just did a video on the promos for October, but if you would prefer today to use your 3 minutes to learn about, oh hey Ben, about immunity, we're going to talk about that now. So I'm going to talk very generally and briefly about immunity because there is a huge amount of information I could be giving you, but I want to keep this really simple and easy to digest and very short so that you don't have a problem watching this video. I want to tell you about oils that are going to boost your immunity. So we're just going to keep it really simple with the oils that are in most of the kits. These are the most commonly used oils. The first thing is On Guard. To boost your immunity and help you to not go under the weather as often or to be able to recover faster when you do get under the weather and you don't feel well, you're going to want oils that boost the immune system, that help your body fight threats that you are supposed to be able to fight because your body's able to heal itself, right? So we're just going to boost it by putting something like On Guard in there. On Guard is a blend that has some very spicy oils like clove and cinnamon that are extremely high in antioxidants that boost your immune system quite a bit. And this is perfectly synergistically blended by chemists to work on your immune system, but also to cleanse the air. So this is going to be great to diffuse in a room where someone's been sick. If somebody comes to your house and is coughing and sneezing, I would put this in the diffuser and cleanse the air and say, bye-bye, take your germs with you. You can also put this in a roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil and roll it on the bottoms of your feet and do that for your kids as well. That can boost your immune system. And we put it on the bottoms of the feet because we have a ton of nerve endings and reflex points on the bottoms of our feet. So if you put oils there, it will get to the whole body. It's going to give you a systemic response. So the other thing we can use On Guard for is cleaning and replacing toxins in the home. So cleaning, you can go ahead and make a cleaning solution with On Guard. You can make it from the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate, which is extremely cost effective. I highly recommend that. You can make an On Guard switch in all of your household products, and you can do On Guard cleaning solution instead of whatever you used to use to clean your house. You can do the On Guard foaming hand wash, so your kiddos' little hands are clean and they get that immune boost without having to rush them down and get them with a roller bottle. You can switch to the On Guard toothpaste, which also puts that On Guard in your system. On Guard mouthwash. We've got a ton of products. On Guard hand sanitizing mist. You can use all of those instead of things that would normally contain toxins that would overload your system and hamper your immune system, keep it from responding. So On Guard's the first oil. The next one, you found the little squeaky thing on the bike. Let's go quickly. The next one is lemon because it detoxifies your body and it can help your body fight off threats. So I like to put lemon with On Guard, and I also like to have lemon on a regular basis in my water. Hey Silas, hey, can you take a break from that just for a minute? Stop for a minute. The next one is Melaleuca. Because On Guard has some spicier oils in it, I prefer to put Melaleuca on itty bitty little babies. Just dilute it in a roller bottle like this size. Just a few drops with the rest of it fractionated coconut oil and put it on the bottoms of their feet. But it's also great for bigger kids, and I put it with On Guard and lemon when I am making an immunity bomb, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. The next is oregano. Oregano really kicks the immune system into high gear in a very special way. The oregano is awesome for if you are already not feeling well, helping you to turn that around and feel better. Okay, we'll finish. And then frankincense. Frankincense is for all things cellular, for your whole body, for all the things. So frankincense, lemon, On Guard, oregano, and Melaleuca. I put 2 each of those in a little veggie capsule. I just open it up. These are just $4 for a ton of them. I know, buddy. I open it up and put 2 drops of each of those oils, and they spell Floom, F-L-O-O-M, so that you can remember all 5 of them. Or you can also put them in a roller bottle and apply to the bottoms of the feet. And there are a ton of other ways we can boost our immune system, but that's all I'm going to talk about right now. Next week, we're going to talk about how to use health of the gut and how that affects your immune system and boosts it. Thanks so much and have a good day.